Hey, how are you doing, guys? Have you seen these kids' books on Etsy and Amazon KDP? These sellers are making a lot of money by selling these kids' stories and drawing books. These are simple stories about adventures, fairy tales, and bedtime stories. Honestly, you don't need to have writing and drawing skills to do this. I found an easier way to automate this whole process with just one simple AI tool. With this AI, you can turn your ideas into books with amazing drawings within just minutes. Then you can sell them on Etsy and Amazon KDP, and this is one of the best passive income methods I personally like, because once you make several books and put them on the marketplace, you just need to wait and see, no more work. So let me show you how to use this AI tool and create amazing story and drawing books. First, go to the description of this video and you will find a link to this website. And you just need to sign up for this website. After that, this is the dashboard you are going to see, and this is where all the magic happens. Let's make an amazing storybook. We have these two options, which are the AI picture book and the quick drawing feature. When it comes to creating a storybook, you need to go with this AI picture book feature. If you already have a complete story that you wrote, go with the use my story option. For now, I don't have a story, so I'm going to select this AI generated option. We have these two options. We can either create a single book or a book series. Let's start with a one book first. Then we can try to make a book series. Once you select this option, you will come to this page where it shows a simple guide and steps. I'm going to skip these for now. Here we can select the age group of our target audience. There are 4 categories. I'm going to go with this. Then we can select the story type. I'm going to select the adventure from this. And then let's go camping and wilderness because my story is going to be around this category. Now you can select these other options as well. And finally, you need to select a suitable size for your book. So make sure to select the aspect ratio that you prefer. After that, I'm going to enter the prompt. You just need to simply explain what your book is about. So my story is about a kid named Alex, and he goes on a camping trip with his family to the mountains, and then he finds a little fox. That's all I'm going to include, and let's find out how this AI is going to narrate this story. I'm going to click this AI generated option, and as you can see here, our stories are generating. So it took only several seconds, and this is the story I got. Now you read this and convert this into your own words, or you can add some new chapters and change this according to your liking. That's up to you. The next step is to select a suitable art style for our book. This tool has some amazing art styles. If you check this list, you will be amazed at how many styles they have. I don't even know what to select because every style is amazing. Finally, I decided to go with this style. Now the next step is one of the most important steps, which is where you need to design the characters. And throughout this storybook, these characters should be consistent. According to our story, we have 5 characters: Alex, Lila, Mom, Dad, and a fox. If you click this character, you can see all the attributes that this AI is going to be using to create that specific character. If you want to change those, just click this Edit Character option, and you can easily change these settings and create your own unique version of this character. And that's super helpful. So once you are done with that, click this Generate option. As you can see here, first character is generated. This tool didn't just create one image, it has created 4 variations, so that we can check all of these 4 and select the best version. I think all of these images are good, but I'm going to go with this one. Now just like this, all you need to do is generate other characters as well. You don't have to wait till one character is completed. With this option, you can generate all the images at once. It took me like 2 minutes, and I've generated all 5 characters, and as you can see here, all of them are amazing. And once you select the suitable versions for all your characters, we can go to the next step. In this storyboard, you can see all the information about pages and what those pages have. In total, this book is going to have 17 pages. And if you want to add additional pages, you just need to click this plus icon, and you can easily add new pages. Let's go to the next step. Now here we have all the pages and text layers, but there are no images yet. Actually, that's a good thing, because this AI allows you to check the prompts before generating the images. This is going to be the first page of this book, and we are going to customize this topic. First, I'm going to make it 2 lines, and you can change the font style if you don't like the existing one. This tool provides a lot of font variations, so you can simply select one of the best. And you can customize this text layer any way you want using this editing option, so it's completely up to you. And then you can check the prompt for the background image. In this case, I'm not going to change it or add my own version. So let's keep this prompt as it is and generate the background image. And then you can do the same for the other pages. This process is really simple. It will take around 5 minutes to complete all the pages. As you can see here, all the pages are completed. You can check each page one by one and replace any image you don't like. Let's say instead of removing the whole image, You can also replace some elements or add new elements to this existing image. You can easily do that with this Chat PS feature. You just need to type what you want in this prompt box. In this picture, there are 2 campfires, so I'm going to remove one of them. I'm going to type remove one campfire from the picture, and it's going to take several seconds. And see, one of the campfire images has been removed. This is super easy. So, just like this, you can even edit these images any way you want. Once everything is done, click the Save option to save this project. Now, if you click this Present button, you can preview this as a book, and it looks amazing. It's actually mind-blowing how easy it is to create a book like this. It only took me minutes. That's why I love these new AI technologies. You can easily download this book as a PDF file. All you need to do is click the 3 dots, select this option, and your book is now complete. Now, this tool has a cool option to convert this into a video as well. It's like converting your storybook into a video book. For that, you need to click the voiceover feature below, and here you can see we have all the pages, but we can convert the dialogues into voiceovers. If you click here, you can even change the AI voice of the narrator. We have several AI voices available. So, I'm going to convert these into voiceovers. You can also select background music for that video from this song list. Once you are done with that, click the Generate Video option and you will come to this page. Here, you just need to select the suitable effects the way you prefer, and the process is done.
The Secret on Pine Ridge. The road to Pine Ridge twisted like a question mark through the mountain woods. Alex sat in the back seat of the family's battered green car, his face pressed to the window. The forest flashed by in a blur of emerald and shadow, every now and then pierced by a slant of sunlight. Scent of pine and the rush of wind hinted at the world waiting beyond the glass. He clutched his worn blue backpack and tried to guess what adventures the weekend would bring. By the time the car's wheels crunched to a stop on the gravel turnout, creak! Snap! Alex's younger sister Lila was already bouncing with excitement. Their parents unloaded the gear, while the children raced to the edge of a mossy bank. The campsite was a clearing encircled by ancient trees and nestled beneath blue-shouldered peaks. Alex let out a long breath, his nerves dissolving into the wild green peace. Tents went up with the soft hiss of nylon and the urgent clatter of poles. Together, the family set up a circle of camp chairs around stone-marked fire pit. Toasted marshmallows would have to wait, their father insisted, until the first rays of evening. After lunch, Alex asked if he and Lila could explore. Their parents reminded them, "Stay close and don't cross the stream." The children nodded solemnly, then set off beneath the dappled light. The world among the trees was cooler and quieter, broken by the distant drumming of a woodpecker and the chirp of hidden crickets.
You can easily start this business as a side hustle because it's not going to take much time. You can only spend an hour on this side hustle, so if you want to try this AI tool, you can use the link in the description. Their standard plan starts from $10 a month, and I would like to thank Read Kids AI for sponsoring this video. If you use the link I provide in the description to sign up, you will receive free 1,500 credits and a 1-month standard plan, so make sure to use it. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video.